When I met Juventina in Honduras, she was 14 and she was the only girl from her 6th grade class that wasn't already a mother or pregnant.
Creo que algunas no estudiaron. Distinta la forma de estudiar, porque ellas no sacaron, creo, el 9º y algunas ya están casadas, embarazadas, ya son madres. Y creo que yo no. Bueno, segura que yo no.
Without an education, women rarely find employment, and when they do, the pay is barely enough to even survive. And for the girls who do get an opportunity for education, only a small percentage of them will ever finish the 6th grade. So how do you solve that? My wife and I put together a vocational training program that gives young men and women an opportunity to get a high school education and learn marketable skills like leatherworking. Juventina went through our program and she was the first in her family to graduate from high school. And now she works in our leather shop making handcrafted leather goods.
Este es mi producto favorito, llamado crossbody. Me gusta porque es bien bonito el frente y tengo la capacidad de hacerlo bien. La manera de vivir para mí ha sido muy diferente porque, en primer lugar, yo sí conocí a Dios en el taller y también así pude aprender el oficio, que me ha servido de mucho para mí y mi familia. Y también he hecho mi casita, que es algo digno para mí, porque eso era mi anhelo.
I'm Jared Brown, founder of Lazarus Artisan Goods. We proudly train, equip, and employ young women just like Juventina in Honduras.